What if your money is quietly disappearing? And what if the answer isn't in your wallet, but in your code? Everyone's heard of Bitcoin. Some say it's magic internet money. Others call it a scam. But here's the truth. Bitcoin isn't just a new currency. It's a response. A response to a system that quietly takes from you without asking. Let's start with a bold claim. Money is broken. You save $100 today. Next year, that same $100 buys you less. Why? Inflation. Prices go up. Your money buys less. Not because you spent it wrong, but because the system is leaking value. It's like pouring water into a bucket full of holes. We use what's called fiat money. Dollars, euros. It's backed by absolutely nothing. It works only because we all agree it works. But here's the catch. Governments can print more of it. Anytime. The more they print, the less yours is worth. It's like playing Monopoly, but someone's sneaking extra cash under the board. That's inflation. And it slowly eats your savings. Now, imagine a new kind of money. Digital. Global. But with rules instead of rulers. Bitcoin. It's not controlled by a government, or a bank, or even a person. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, ever. No one can make more. That makes it scarce, like gold. But it lives on the internet. Try to copy it? You can't. The code won't let you. So how does it work? Think of a giant notebook, one that records every transaction. Public, transparent, unchangeable. Each page is a block. Each page is sealed and linked to the next. Together, they form a chain. If someone tries to cheat and change one block, it breaks the whole chain. So it's basically cheat-proof. That's the blockchain. It keeps Bitcoin honest. Banks run on trust. Trust us, they say. We'll take care of your money. Bitcoin runs on math. No CEO, no printing press, just code. Open to anyone. Anyone can verify. No one can fake. It's like a financial system with no backstage. Is Bitcoin just for billionaires and tech nerds? Nope. People in countries like Venezuela or Nigeria use it because their money collapsed. Bitcoin became their escape hatch. It doesn't ask for permission. It works for anyone, anywhere, no bank required. Yes, Bitcoin's price jumps up and down. It's a roller coaster. But so was the internet in 1995. Early tech is messy, but the foundation is what matters. Bitcoin is scarce, decentralized, transparent. That's what gives it long-term value. You don't have to buy a whole coin. You can own a tiny piece, like a fraction of a penny. And today, you can send Bitcoin across the world in minutes, pay for stuff, or just hold it, like digital gold. It's money you can move, verify, and store yourself. No bank account needed. Here's the part nobody talks about. Bitcoin isn't just a new type of money. It's a question, a challenge, to a financial system that quietly punishes savers, rewards debt, and hides the rules. Bitcoin makes us ask, what is money, really? Who should control it? And maybe we can build something better. Bitcoin might not be the final answer, but it forces the conversation. It's like a flashlight. It reveals things we weren't supposed to question. Maybe you'll buy Bitcoin. Maybe you won't. But after today, you'll never look at your money the same way again. Don't just learn what money is. Learn what it could be.